Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and Taylor, and this is Diamond Art Club unboxing 3 of 4.
Can you show them your pretty nails?
So I got Color Street nails and tried to put them on, and although they're not hard, I'm not great, but there they are in all their prettiness. They're actually quite sparkly. Yeah, imagine the fact that I like sparkles, right? Okay, so this is box 3 of 4, kit 3 of 4. It is their pink pretty box. Close your eyes, Taylor. This is the one that we're doing, and I will insert a picture of that right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Go ahead, you're fine now. This is one of the ones that I got from the BOGO, the buy one get one free.
Well, and she already opened 1 or 2.
We already opened 2, huh?
Yeah. So we need 1 more.
1 more. All right, you gonna pull that open?
Yeah.
Do it.
Actually, did you know I love doing this, but I don't do it very often?
You know you've been doing it a lot with me lately, huh? All right, get it off there. Pull. Oh, good job. All right, so we're going to open this up and get a good look at this. There's the beautiful canvas.
And here's the logo.
There's the beads.
And here's the logo. Or the back. Can I open the back?
There's the toolkit.
I want to open the back.
I know what you want to do, but first you do the toolkit, remember?
Close your eyes.
I know what's in there. Just show them.
We have a blue one this time.
A blue squishy?
Yeah.
Nice. We have a blue squishy.
A white clear boat.
A clear boat.
Baggies. A thingy.
3-placer.
A 3-placer.
Yeah, do them however you want to.
Here's the pen. Oh, and the 2 hearts.
All right.
Made of wax.
Okay, put those in back in the
Baggie.
Yep, in the cool plastic bag.
If you soft.
That's cool, huh? That's a nice bag. All right, so there's the toolkit. I'm dropping stuff. Let's go ahead and open up this canvas.
Can I open it? Can you cut it?
All right, cut it. There you go. Pull it on out. There we go.
Whoa, it feels soft.
It does feel soft, huh? You're gonna need to sit straight with me though. So we have, like right here. There you go. So we have room to open this bad baby. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Scoot it over just a little bit towards you without hitting over the tripod. All right.
Whoa, this is pretty. I know what this one is.
What?
A mermaid.
It is, huh?
I just saw the tail.
There
Wait.
she is.
Why doesn't have eyes?
I don't know. They decided not to put a face on her. She is the faceless. It's called the siren. So she is faceless and she is beautiful. Look at that.
I just make the bottom of her tail.
Her tail's gonna be gorgeous, huh?
And just make all through here.
There are 33 colors.
33.
Yep,
That's
33 colors. Wowza, huh? Okay, back up for a
That's
minute.
more than we ever had.
No, I've had more than 33.
Look at that.
Okay, so there is the canvas. That is going to be beautiful. Absolutely stunning.
It just make all through the tail.
And we'll just let it sit here for a minute, and you guys can just look at how beautiful she is.
I like her bra. It's made of starfish.
Her bra is made of starfish?
Yeah.
It does look like it. Oh, that's very cool. Alright, so 33 colors. Let's go ahead and take a look at them, shall we?
Yay! This is my favorite part.
Is this your favorite part?
Having grandma sew up.
Oh, we got our hair on here. There we go. Alright, look at this great big beautiful bag of beads.
Should we pause it?
We're going to end up pausing it because one of my bag of beads
exploded.
It exploded in there.
I think they got too much glitch and one exploded because it had too much air in it.
You're a goof. Too much air in it and it popped? I thought you said too much hair in it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pause. Taylor, wait. And we will be back in just a moment and you can see all the colors. Okay, we are back. We found the culprit. It was a bag of $37.99 that had broken open. We gathered them up, grabbed one of the baggies that they sent us, put them in there, and then cut the numbers off the bag and stuck them in there too so we would remember what number that was. So these are the gorgeous colors that are in this.
Can I show you guys what my favorite is? It's this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one.
Okay, good job. All right, so we're going to count them and make sure that there's 33 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
32.
Let's try to count them again. Be quiet this time, Taylor, please. Oh, here's why. Because I had that in with there. That's 934. That's 934. That's 938. So there are 33 colors. All of the colors are here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Psst. Shh. All of the colors are here, as you can see. I don't know. Something about the greens and the blues. I think this is just going to be beautiful.
I just love these colors.
Right? So, the size of this canvas is 55 by 73. It is a Diamond Art Club. It is round. It is called the Siren. Alright, let's put those back in here and then we'll do the unboxing score. Oh, look, there's another spare. We'll just stick it in there. Why are you crawling all over my canvas?
Hey, we took a shower before we started.
So you're clean crawling all over the canvas? Is that what you're saying? Get off the canvas, please. Alright, so there's all the colors put back in the bag.
Sorry about Grandma's noise.
Are you apologizing for my noise? Alright, we'll flip this over one more time just so that we can get a good look at it while we're doing the unboxing score. Let me take a look at the drill field here. Let's see if I can get you a visual of the symbols. There we go. And I'm feeling brave. Let's try the drill field. I don't know if you can see that or not. But the drill field looks amazing. As always. You want to do the sticky test? In the corner. Lift up the corner, not the whole middle of the canvas.
That's plenty sticky.
That is plenty sticky, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's no issues with the glue. The ripples that you see are in the plastic canvas, not in the glue. Alright, accuracy of description. Was it easy to understand, clear, and correct? Yep. Diamond Art Club is always very, very specific about what you're going to get. There's no issue with that. Processing time from order to ship. Well, from order to delivery was 2 days. So they definitely get the point for that.
2?
Outside packaging. Yep, we're at 2. They came in the box I showed how they came packaged in video 1. I'll put a link to that up over here if you want to see how they were boxed. So they'll get the point for the outside packaging. Inside packaging, this was wrapped in plastic. That's wrapped in plastic. The toolkit's wrapped in plastic. So even if water would have gotten into the box, which it didn't, but if let's just say it would have, everything was wrapped in plastic. I think everything would have been just fine. So they get the point for the inside packaging. Toolkit, drills, canvas, all included. They get the point for that.
And you want to know why it was opened? Because we had to use a baggie.
Well, we took one of the baggies out of here to pick up the extra drills, huh? Yeah. Okay, canvas condition. No hard creases in the canvas. It's not cheap or flimsy. Oh, heavens no. It is Diamond Art Club. It is thick. It is beautiful. It is sparkly. Do what makes you sparkle. It's flawless. So they get the point for that. Glue condition. Flat, sticky. No bubbles, no runs, no creases. No overlapping. I mean, the glue is perfect. So they'll get the point for that. Drill condition. Oh, there were 2 A-B drills in here, and I didn't pull them out to show you. One is a blue color, and one of them's right there. One of them's a white color. You know, I'll show you when we go to work up this kit, but there are 2 different A-B gems in this kit. Drills are great, so they'll get the point for that. Symbols, clear, easy to read. Yes, they're clear, they're easy to read. Right through here, the E's and the S's might be a little bit rough for me, but that's just because of my eyes. Maybe if I put a light pad underneath it, it'll be just fine. So there's 9. Overall, am I impressed? How could I not be impressed? Hello, Diamond Art Club, and beautiful, beautiful mermaid. Siren.
How about you open? How about you get different mermaids by the club that we got this one?
From Diamond Art Club?
Yeah.
Just all kinds of different mermaids?
Yeah.
I'm not sure how many they have, but we can look. Are you going to get a job to help me pay for them?
If you want me, if we can get 2 pens and we can work on them together.
Then you're going to get a job? Who's going to hire you at age 7?
You?
Me? There's child labor laws, kid. We'll see. Okay, so there you go. Diamond Art Club. Perfect 10 out of 10. I would actually be shocked if a Diamond Art Club ever got anything less than a 10, but you never know. That's why we do this. Check consistency, and so far, they're consistent. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. We appreciate you watching and subscribing. We love each and every one of you, and we will... What? Oh, I almost forgot. Go ahead, Taylor, tell them.
And give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. We don't care.
Either way, huh? Either way is fine. Thank you all for watching and subscribing, and we will see you in the next one.